So what do you have there, Julian? You have Spencer. Oh, here. From the left, we have Molly.
Molly and then
James.
And
Spencer. Spencer. Say it again. Molly.
Molly. James. Spencer.
Spencer. Very good. Molly. James. And Spencer.
Yeah, Mom.
Nice, huh?
One. And children.
Nice, huh? Where's the red train?
It's red thing.
Where?
Yellow, white.
It's silver. Yellow. And red. And silver. Where's the red one?
It's yellow.
That's the yellow one. How about the red?
Which one?
That's the silver one.
Oh, the one.
Here's the red one, James.
I'm the brightest red engine on Sodor. Sizzling fireboxes.
Full steam ahead. One more. Push it, Julian. Push it.
Hello, I'm Spencer.
One more. Nice.
I'm James.
Special.
Nice. Huh? Toot toot. Toot toot. Let her play, Julian. Give her the red train.
No.
No? Why? Oh, that's bad, Julian. Are you okay, Maya? Maya? You okay? So what do you have there, Julian? Wait, Maya. Wait. Oh, that's Thomas. And that's Sir Topham Hatt.
Okay.
Nice, huh? Toot toot. One more. Nice. One more. And here is Thomas. Hi. Come on, Julian. What do you have there?
Bill.
Here, show it to us. What's that? Who's that? Oh, it's Belle. Belle. Wait, Maya. Wait. Wait, Maya. Wow. Belle and Sir Topham Hatt. Nice. Nicey, nicey.
It is smart. And
Huh?
at that